Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot on the way home. Driving on the opposite side of the road on a blind turn to get to a dirt driveway is big brain stuff. Blowing through a red light in the wrong lane at high speed. When an idiot finds a shortcut. This woman in a BMW cuts me off in my left turn only lane, then looks at me like I'm the one in the wrong. Can I report someone for littering using my dashcam footage? Just a biker popping a wheelie through a red light. Was I too jumpy about the car on the right? Why did you cut in front of my left turn? That is the worst place to break it down. Good thing the white PT Cruiser was paying attention. Blowing through a red light and turning right instead of using the right turn lane.
Did you see that?
What?
That Jeep?
No, I won't.
A few moments later.
What?
This person?
They're in the wrong lane.
The karma is unreal. No look lane change in an intersection? Why not?
Whoa! What the man? Yeah, really good.
12 seconds later.
What are you doing? What the hell is wrong with you?
Sudden slowdown on the freeway due to cartons in the middle lane. This idiot runs a red light, nearly hits me, passes in a no passing zone, and hits a bunny on the way out. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.